Good morning, dear students, and we are starting today. Once I will revise the scalar triple product. In the previous lecture, I explained about scalar triple product and volume of parallelopipe. Yes, parallelepiped or parallelopipe. So now today, just I will recall one's properties and we will solve the problems based on scalar triple product. Then tomorrow we will learn vector triple product. So scalar triple product and vector triple product are very important for JEE mains, and we can guarantee that one question they ask from JEE mains from this topic. Okay, let us discuss now. Properties here, the first property I explain you, L times of A vector, M times of B vector, N times of C vector, and you have a box. Then what we can do here, L, M, N can be taken out and you get box ABC. As I told you, this is works as a determinant, right? It is works like a determinant. If you have a determinant here and you have LA1, this is a L, okay, LA1 like, right? So LA1, A1, A2, A3, like B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 are like that. So LA1, so LA2 and LA3 is here. Next you have MB1, MB2, MB3 here, and next you have NC1, NC2, NC3 you have. Then L will be common out from the first row, M will be common out from the second row, N will be common out from the third row. So you are going to get as LMN. Determinant is this will get. Determinant is what? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 and C1, C2, C3. This is I explained in the previous lecture. Just I am recalling this to make you understand today's lecture. Okay, this is what we have. The property number 1 means we can from any row and from any column I can take out L, M, N common, right? Another one is the scalar triple product of three non-zero vectors is 0 if any two of them are equal. This is most important one. Suppose you have like this box A, B. Suppose it means what here? Two rows are same. If two rows are same, determinant of the matrix is 0, right? What I meaning of this one is you have A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. It means what here? These two rows are equal, same. In a determinant of a matrix, if two rows are equal, the determinant value is 0. That likewise, the box of AAB, box of like you have box of ABB like this. If you can find box of AAB, box of ABB, this value will become 0. As I explain you, this is the property number 2. So here what here? Box of ABC is there, but if I say B is equal to C, in the place of B you can, in the place of C you can write B. So box of ABBB will be 0. And the same likewise, if the vectors are parallel, if any two vectors are parallel, they are, we can say collinear, then what we can say, like one vector can be written as some lambda times another vector. One vector can be written as some lambda times another vector. So ABC is equal to, if you are saying that C is some lambda times B vector, so I can write as the C place as lambda times B vector. So when I take the lambda out, lambda I can take out because from one column I can take out one row, I can take out the lambda out. So I get here ABBB, therefore this box will be 0. As you know, this is I am talking in the sense of determinants. So as you know, this determinant how it is works, right? So according to that, see here, I'll if you want I'll show you. Suppose you have like this. It means what here? A1, A2, A3. This is what here? B1, B2, B3. And this is what here? Lambda times B1, lambda times B2, lambda times B3. Means what I can write? Lambda I can take out. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3. Two rows are equal. So this determinant value will become 0. That is what I want to say. So property number 3 is what? If you have A vector plus B vector, C vector, D vector, this is can be spread as. Why this can be, how it is can be spread as the matrix you know, determinants you know. If you know determinants, this is very easy. As you know in determinants, what you have? A1 plus B1 you have, suppose, and A1 plus B1. So you have A1 plus B1. I'll just give you example. I give this example. A1, this is can be written as A1 plus B1 as a determinant form. I am saying A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3 you have, and this is the C is I can write as C1, C2, C3. And this D can be written as D1, D2, D3. Don't confuse here. This is can be written as however you want. Like here, A vector meaning is what? A vector meaning is what? A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. That is what I want to say here. So this way also you can think. Another way is what? A vector is equal to Ax, means with respect to x, xi component plus A2 j, Ayj plus Az k. Like this anything you can write. So whenever you have this format, in this A meaning is what? A1, A2, A3. In what is the meaning of A1, A2, A3? A1 means x-axis, with x-axis Ax, Ay, Az. This is a vector form. This is the vector form. So when you are writing in modulus form, what you write here? A1, B1, A2, B2, A3. See here, we write A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3. And this is we write as C1, C2, C3. This is can be written as D1, D2, D3. So when I separate this as a determinant formula, how I separate this one? A1, okay, A1 I separate with this, A1, B1 this one, and this I can separate. So as if I separate this one, what I am going to get here? See A1, C1, D1, A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, D3, I'll get 1, and B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. What I want to say here, this can be spread as A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, D3. This can be written like this, plus. As you know determinant formula, I am using determinant property here. A1 I separated, now I can write B1 there. A1, and next what we can write here? Here I can write B1, B2, B3, and we can write C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, D3. What I want to say here, just the first row of this one can be separated. This first row can be separated as A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, D3 plus B1, B2, B3, C1, C2. This is the determinant formula. As it is here also, A vector plus B vector, C vector, D vector you have, then I can separate A and then I can separate B. I can separate A vector, C vector, D vector plus B vector, C vector, D vector. This is the property. By using the determinants you can see easily. Hope you understand this one. So these are the properties. Already I explained in previous lecture. If you not understand any of this, you can go through my previous lecture. In the previous lecture, I explained some properties and there you can understand more clear. Just I am revising today, that's it. Now the fourth point here, The fourth point is for the three orthogonal right-handed unit vectors, any vectors I, j, k, orthogonal means perpendicular, 90 degrees. I, j, k will be perpendicular. You know all right. I cap, j cap, k cap, all these three are perpendicular to each other. That's why he said as orthogonal right-handed. Right-handed means you know that, right? Right-handed means right. It is going like this, like right-handed, left-handed will be there, which is forms acute angle right-handed, obtuse angle left-handed. Now here ijk you have, box of ijk is 1. When we can say box of, this is very important, box of ijk is 1. Why this is ijk is 1? You know that box of ABC is equal to what? What is the box of ABC? A cross B dot C. This is only right. So according to this, ijk means what I can write? I cross j dot k vector. You know that I cross j vector, I cross j will be what? K. So k dot k is 1. So dot, that is the reason box ijk is 1. This is one of the important property. Another one, this is I explain you cyclic wise. I explain you what here. Whenever you have A, B, C, this cyclic, you are getting A, B, C. Like here you are getting A, B, C. This is okay. If you start here, you started counted here, right? It is a clockwise direction. You started here A, B, C. Then you start from here B, C, A. And then you can start again where to B started, next C, A, B. If this is the position, then these boxes are equal. Reason is what? Reason is A, B, C. If you see that B, C is interchanged, see here how many times it is interchanged, that is important. See here, first it is interchanged here. You just see here B and B is here and C is here. B means B, first these both are interchanged. These both are interchanged. B is here, A is here. This is twice it is interchanged. I will show you. A vector, if this is interchanged, what I get here? B vector, A vector, C vector. If you are changing only one row as rows, if you are interchanging one time rows, you get negative answer. But you have what here? CA. It means again it is interchanged. Again this was interchanged. Means B vector, C vector, A vector. Means how many times it is interchanged? 2 times it is interchanged. Means I just show you here. You have A1, A2, A3. Okay. B1, B2, B3. Okay. C1, C2, C3. When you have like this, when this is the matrix, and you are changing row 1 as row 2, row 2 as row 1. Whenever you change one row up, one row down, you get negative. Again you change this one up and this one down twice, negative into negative is positive. That is what I want to say here. This cyclic order, you just remember this cyclic order, all the stories are not required. Just remember this cyclic order. ABC is there. In this time it will get positive because it is changing twice. Right, another words here, this is minus. Why it is minus? You can see there in this ABC how many times it is changed? Only this B is came here and A is came there. It means only one time change is there. Whenever you have in box one row or one column it is changed, that is minus, you will get the answer. That I already explained you. And area of parallelopipe, that is also called parallelepiped, that already I explained you, that is box ABC. And another one, this is the 8th one, most important. This can be asked many times, means for 1 mark question they asked many times in CBSE as well as some boards, and this is important for JEE also. Okay, so what is there? A vector plus B vector. 8th, I am just explaining about 8th point. A vector plus, oh sorry, I wrote wrong. A vector plus B vector, B vector plus C vector, C vector plus A vector. Whenever you have like this, what do you do here? Right, using the first property, how you can say this one is here? I can use this one, A vector, B vector plus C vector plus A vector. What I did here, I just explain you, this is the property number, I think second, I think today I explained property number second there. I explained this is the property, I'll explain you now. Whenever you have A vector plus B vector, B vector plus C vector plus C vector plus A vector, what is the value of this? This is 2 marks or 1 mark important question. As you have to remember, as JEE point of view, just remember like this value. So it will be easy to solve some of the JEE questions. I'll make you to solve it. Now this is how can you write here? In the morning I said that this is the first lecture I said A vector, and you can write as A vector plus B vector plus C vector, C vector plus A vector. I separated the first part of this and then I can separate the other part. So plus I can write as B vector plus C vector, C vector plus A vector. As I told you I think this is the third property what I explained today. Now here A vector, B, like this you can separate the first part of this. And then what we can do here, now you can separate the second part of this. So B vector, C vector plus A vector, I can write like this. Then after this one is I can write as A vector, B vector, sorry, B vector over, right here, A vector, B vector, C plus A vector. Now what do you get here? A vector, B vector, A vector, B vector, C vector, C plus A vector I can write. Now what I have done this question, you see that I separated the first one, I break the first one. Then in the second case what I did here, I am separating the second one. So I am separating the second one, means this one, first one is over, the second one I separated here. P I kept here, C I kept there. Now in the third step what I do here, A vector, B vector, now I separate this one, means C vector I will write. Okay, then I can write as A vector, B vector, C vector, A vector I can write this. And here also what I can write here, A vector, C vector, C vector I can write, plus again I can write as A vector, C vector, A vector I can write. I separated now. And now you know that box of ABC is the same, ABC only. There is no change of box of ABC. Box of ABA, this is 0. Right, because AA same repeated. Now here box of ACC, this will be 0. Okay, I missed one more thing. I think one more step I missed. Yeah, this is I did not do, right? A vector, okay, that one I forget. Okay, this one also left, right? So can I erase this is last topic? Yeah. See here, I have done for this part. I did not do for this part. This part is remained. See here, this part I did here. A vector, B vector, C plus A vector. Then A vector, C vector, C plus A vector. This is separated. As same as now I have to separate for this is also. So what I write here, B vector, C plus A vector. Okay. Then I can separate for that middle one. B vector, C vector, C plus A vector, I can write like this. As same, now here for the last one I have to break. So for last one if I am breaking the last one, so what I do here, this one I will write here up. A vector, C vector, A vector, this one for the whole thing, right? Now this one can be changed as B vector, yeah, from here getting B vector, C vector. Now I separated the third part. So B vector, B vector, B vector, B vector, A vector, A vector. And next what I can do here, this one is B vector, C vector, C, box BCC, and I can write as box B, C, A, like this. I can separate all this. After separating these all, I hope that all you have understood. Otherwise, I will recall once here. This is there. What I did here, the first one I broke, means I separated this one. So the middle ones are same as it is. these are same as it is, only the first one is breaked. And then second part, what is there? I kept these two are same, these two, the last corners are same, I just break the middle one I breaked. The same thing here also, I kept the last things are same and the middle one I breaked into two parts. Now what happened here? First one over, second one over, so last one I have to break. So last I kept these two same and I break this one, then after I break this. Same way here, I kept this same and just I break this other part. Here also I kept these two same and I break this part into two. And here I kept these both same and I break into two. Now you know that as I gave the properties, if they have the same vector, that is become 0. Here is no same vector, A vector, B vector, C vector, and here is A, all are A same vector, so 0. C same vector, 0. A same vector, 0. And you see here B C, that is 0 because 2 same. Here B A same, 0. And here see the B C same, 0. And the last one, see that B C A, you can see that A B C, I told you A B C will be equal to BCA. These both are equal. In the cyclic, these both are equal. So this is can be written as BCA can be written as ABC. As hope you understood this one. When you have A vector, B vector, C vector, remember this. In this cycle, they are equal. ABC equal, BCA equal, CAB equal. And the other things where whatever you get, that is minus. And these three are equal, so this will be equal to this. So what happened here? Box ABC is equal to box ABC, both you got, and if you add this one, twice of box ABC. This is what you have got. And this is a very important, very important result, and this is important for both point of view 1 and 2 marks. And for JEE point of view, it is very important result. So remember this one, A vector plus B vector plus C vector plus C vector plus A vector is 2 times A vector, B vector, C vector. Hope you understand. Let us see next questions. Let us see here. Now I just I revised that all properties because that are very important. By mistake, if you not revise that it is a problem. That is the reason I took lot of time to explain them. Let us discuss the problems now. Now this is the question you have. Box of UVW is equal to 1. Then find the value of 3 times of UVW minus VWU box minus 2 times of WVU. And as I told you, this is very easy way you can understand that UVW, these are equal to what? These are equal to, this is the only the one thing it makes you very simple. UVW, this will be equal to, UVW will be equal to VWU, and this will be equal to WUV. WUV. See that which are equal here. UVW, yeah, this is one there, UVW. VW means these both are equal. Another one, WVU, so this is not equal. This will get negative. This will get negative sign. That is what you have to understand. So this can be written as, you have to write like this. We know they given what they given UVW box UVW is equal to 1, and we know that UVW is equal to, what is that? VWU is equal to WUV. WUV is equal to 1. These are same, and the rest of will get in negative number. So what I can write here, this one, 3 into UVW minus, and this is can be written as UVW, right? and this can be written as with minus sign because it is not matching with any of this, so it will be minus sign. So minus into minus plus 2 times of UVW. Now this value is 1, 3 into 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 1. It means these values are given 1, right? So 1 we have substituted. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. This is the way to do the problem. See, to understand this concept I explain you, okay? One more question on this topic, and this question is here. Is saying A vector, B vector and C vector are unit vectors, then the scalar triple product of this is how much? See here I explain you JEE point of view. This question no need to do any problem. Like here, like previously when you have A vector plus B vector plus C vector plus A vector, I used to separate this one, right? Here also this problem should be done by separating means. This is there. Same previously I explained one problem, that is A vector plus B vector plus C vector plus A vector is there. At that time the answer is came 2 times of box A, B, C you got. So this is I solved by separating each and everything, but this question no need to do it. This is JEE point of view. This question no need to do like that. You can do that way, you will get the answer, but this is not required. Reason is what? The question is given simply A, B, C are unit vectors, then the scalar triple product. I think the question is missing, that is unit coplanar vectors. The question is unit coplanar vectors. When they given unit coplanar vectors, no need to separate and solve. Like I separated the previous question 8 boxes I separated, as this is make it important result I told. Same way you can do this problem, but it is very lengthy. So actually you have to use some logic here. Whenever they said coplanar, in this meaning is that when A, B, C are coplanar, 3 vectors are coplanar. So that means one vector can be expressed sometimes of another vector. Like I told you already, problems I say A, B, C are coplanar, then A vector can be written as some lambda times B vector plus some mu times C vector. Like this we can write. Like one vector can be expressed. If these two are there, A vector is equal to some lambda times B vector. Like that means A vector minus lambda times B vector is equal to 0. Whatever it may be. You can express if it is a coplanar vector. So sum of the two vectors, one vector can be expressed in the form of another vector. See here, when the vectors are coplanar, suppose this is a vector A and this is a vector B and this is a vector C. If they are coplanar, their addition also coplanar because they lie in the same plane. Their addition, their subtraction also lie in the same plane. If the vectors of A vector minus B vector, 2 times of A vector minus B vector, 3 times, whatever the times is there, and minus you have, it means these vectors are lying on the same plane. If the vectors are lying on the same plane, the box will be 0. So the answer is 0. No need to do this problem. At any cost, no need to do. If the vectors are coplanar, it means box of that will be 0. Because they are addition or subtraction, coplanar is given, then you have to directly you can write the answer is 0. Okay, hope you understand. Let us go for next question. Now this question is here. The question is given A, B, C are 3 non-coplanar vector. Yes, previous question was coplanar. That's why we have wrote directly 0. But if it is non-coplanar, then how to do it? If the 3 vectors are non-coplanar, what is the value of this? Okay, options are given, but I did not wrote options. If you want, I will write. Okay, let us see that the question how to solve. Okay, so whenever they given non-coplanar, then what we do here, we have to simplify this is. You cannot write equal to 0. If coplanar, then we can see that. But here non-coplanar, what we do here, A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Okay, this is into. Now what we write here, now we have to do cross of this one. Okay, so A will be cross with A because you have a plus symbol, this will be cross with A. So A cross A I get, plus next A will be cross with C. So I get as A cross C I'll get. Next B will be cross with A, B cross A I get. Next B will be cross with C. So B cross C I get. It means what I am getting here, A vector plus B vector plus C vector, and you know that A cross A is 0, and you have A cross C plus B cross A plus B cross C. So here what happened here, the first case is become 0, the rest are there. Now what I have to do here, A, this is a dot, right here, this is a dot, this is a dot. A vector plus B vector plus C vector dot, this was there. So this is a dot, okay, there will be no into symbols, there will be, this is a dot like that. So now what I have to do here, A vector plus B vector plus C vector, and I have to do here, this is a bracket, right, it is a bracket, and you have to do dot with A cross C plus B cross A plus B cross C. Let us do it. Whenever you are doing a vector with a cross dot, that is box ABC. You know that A vector B cross C is nothing but box ABC, right? This is box ABC. So when I am doing A vector with this one, that is box AAC, AAC. The first one is box AAC, and the plus symbol, and the plus symbol, and next this is went to here, and this will be went to there. So what I get here, A, B, A I get, okay, then this will be go here last one. So what I am going to get here, A, B, C, because these are three are separate. Now hope you understand, with A I did the box. Now let us same way I can do with B. So B, A, C box I get, B, A, C I'll get. Next what I'll get here, B, B, A. This B will be go for the second point. So B, B, A. I get as B, B, A. Right. Then after what I get here, this B will go to the last one. So B, B, C. B, B, C. Okay. Now B1 over, then we will go for the C1. C, A, C. I get as C, A, C. Next what I get here, box C, B, A. C, B, A. Plus what I get here, C, B, C. I get as C, B, C. So what here, the same wherever is there, that will become 0, means this is 0, this is 0, and here no, not the 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 0, and this will be 0. And what is remain here, I remain with three things, okay, it is remained with three things, right? Any other things left here, A, C, A, B, C, B, A, C, B, B, A, B, B, C, right? C, yeah, all done, all done, all done. Now what is left here? These three are left. Let us calculate these values. What is the answer? So box, what is left here? I will write here. Box A, B, C, A, B, C, plus what is left here? B, A, C, B, A, C. And what is left here, another one is CBA, CBA. To solve this one, just keep this thing in the mind. I am using this one. This is the logic we have to use. So which is equal we will come to know, and the rest will be opposite of this. So ABC will be equal to what? ABC will be equal to BCA. So let us see here, BCA anywhere is there? BCA, not there. CAB, CAB any there? CAB, not there. Okay, CAB is not there, BCA is not there. See here, this is ABC. Next you have B, see here, BAC. You are going opposite direction, anti-clockwise. BAC means negative. And CBA, again you are going in this direction. I think this is C. Yeah, you are not getting anything. Yeah, ABC is there. So you should get here BCA, then it is equal. And if you have CAB, then it is equal. Means these both are negative. So what I get here, ABC, and this will be negative of A, B, C, and this is a negative of A, B, C. That's what you have. So this is cancelled. Answer is D. Option was there. I did not wrote the option. So answer is minus of ABC. They given options are like this: box ABC, minus ABC, 2 times ABC. Another options are given. So D option was this one. So the answer is minus of box ABC. This is the way to deal these problems. Okay, hope you understand. That is only the reason in the beginning of the class I took to explain you. Hope you understand this. The class 12th can be understand because they know the determinants. Let's see another question. Here, now this is the question we have to solve here. A vector dot B vector plus C vector cross A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to dash. We have to find this value. How to find here? See, whenever you have cross, remember this thing, okay, dot you have to keep as it is, okay, the solution will be like this: keep the dot as it is and just go for the cross first. So dot with the cross you have to do, this is very important, that is what important. Now here B cross A I get, first one is what here, B cross A I get, correct? Now B cross B will be 0, next we can write as B cross B, this is 0. So B cross B I can write. Next what I can write here? B cross C I can write. B cross C. Next what I can write here? Next B with all 3 over, then C with all. C cross A I can write. Next what I can write here? C cross B I can write. Next what I can write here? C cross C I can write. As you all know that C B cross B is 0 and C cross C is 0. No need to write this. And rest we have to do with the dot of A dot, now here what do you have? B cross A, 1, okay, plus A dot B cross C, another one, plus A dot C cross A, 1, plus and A dot I can get as C cross B. As you know that these two are 0. Hope you understand what I have done. Now this is nothing but box ABA. As I explained you, this is box ABA. And this is what here? Box ABC. And this is what here? Box ACA. Okay, this is what I can write here? Box ACB. I can write like this. It means here you know that box ABA 0, box ACA 0, because you have both same. Now what is remain? ABC ACB. ABC see here ABC. This is ABC and this is here ACB. I don't think these both are same. Let us see here. A you have, B you have, C you have. How they will be equal here? A, B, see here, A, B, C will be equal to, this is A, B, C, see this is here A, B, C and plus, this is what here? A, C, B. A start here, C, B, means reverse direction it is going. Not clockwise, it is going on anti-clockwise. When it is going anti-clockwise, negative. When it is going clockwise, it is positive. Hope you understand. So this will become minus of box ABC. It means plus into minus minus. So the answer is 0. So this is a way to deal the problems. Understood? Let us solve another problem. So here let us see one more question on this parallel. See, this question is asked 8th January 2020 based on this. Already I explained you volume of parallelepiped. Okay, volume of parallelepiped, volume of parallelepiped, that is box ABC. Yesterday in the previous lecture I explained that. Okay, and I gave one problem also. But in 2020 8th January based on this they ask a question. Listen, see here. What is saying? The volume of a parallelepiped whose coterminals edges are given by, here this is given coterminals edges, you know that. So given by u is equal to I plus j plus lambda times k vector, v is equal to I plus j plus 3 k vector, and w is equal to 2 I plus j plus k vector, and they're saying that B a 1 cubic unit means volume is 1 cubic unit. Volume is given 1 cubic unit. If theta be the angle between the edges U and W, then the cos theta can be what? This is the question. What will be the cos theta? This is JEE 2020 question. Okay, how to deal this one? Simple question. And these type of questions are many. We are going to discuss tomorrow many questions on this scalar triple product. Then only we will go to the vector triple product. That is another topic. Okay. Now scalar triple product on based on we are doing the problems. Here the solution is here follows. So when the volume is equal to 1, volume will be box ABC. Let us take the three vectors. U vector is 1 1 lambda 1 1 lambda, and here is 1 1 3 1 1 3, and here is what here 2 1 1. There you got 2 1 1, and this value is given 1 unit. So just find the volume of this one. How to find here? Just find the determinant of this. See here, the people you have already learned in 12th, you can make any two rows zeros and that will become more easy to find the lambda. Otherwise you can open out directly. That is up to you as you wish. You can write here plus, minus, plus. So plus according to 1 will be what here? 1 ones are 1, minus 3 ones are 3, minus 1 into this row and column close, 1 ones are 1, minus 2 3s are 6, plus lambda times this is closed, 1 ones are 1, minus 1 2s are 2, this is equal to 1 they given. So according to this, his value is minus 2, this is minus 5, minus into minus plus 5, plus lambda times this value is minus 1. So this is minus 1 is equal to 1. It means I am getting 5 minus 2, that is 3, right? 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus lambda is equal to 1. It means lambda value what I am getting here, the lambda value minus lambda is equal to 1 minus 3. So lambda is equal to 2 I am getting. So I got the lambda value 2. If lambda value 2, what is the u vector? U vector will be, I think lambda value 2, is it right? 1 1 lambda 1 1 3 2 1 1, right here. This is everything right? Okay, let's see here. This is question once I will test. The question is very much correct. 1 I J K L. And yesterday when I explained you quote parallelopipe, this is a parallelopipe. So this will be some bend will be there. Okay, so when you are doing the volume of this, okay, this is a parallelopipe. If this is a parallelopipe, I told you this is the angle here. If this is acute angle, then angle right-handed, that is called as acute angle, means right-handed is forming right-handed, okay, right-handed load. And if it is obtuse angle, means downwards, then it is, if it is obtuse angle, then it is left-handed. When it is right-handed, you get plus answer. When it is left-handed, you will get minus answer. So the volume can be plus and minus in this case. Okay, so you can write here lambda value plus and minus. Okay, co-terminal just this is can be written as plus and minus. So plus minus. So you get plus and minus here. This is you get plus minus. So you get here plus and minus. So what I can write here, lambda value, if I take once plus difference answer, and if it is minus different, 3 minus lambda is equal to, if I take plus 1, then I get as 3 minus lambda is equal to minus 2, that is lambda is equal to 2. If I take 3 minus lambda is equal to minus 1, okay, if I take minus 1, then lambda is equal to minus 4, lambda is equal to 4, minus lambda equal to minus 4, lambda equal to 4. So I am going to get lambda 2 values, one is 2 and 4. Now I have to check. Options also I will write because options are important to find out this one. Okay, now what is the question here? Lambda is 4, I got 2 you got. So u vector will become what? U vector is becomes I plus j plus 2 times of k, and you required here u and w. W is what? W already you have. W is equal to 2i plus j plus k vector. Means if I take lambda is equal to 2, I get this result. If I take lambda is equal to 4, then what I am going to get, this u vector is becomes I plus j plus 4k, okay, because lambda place I will get 4, and w is not going to change, w is equal to 2i plus j plus k. So you got uv, uw, now you have to find angle between them. Angle between them is what? Cos theta is equal to, what is the formula? Cos theta, angle between them is equal to u vector dot w vector upon u magnitude and w magnitude. The same way here also, cos theta is equal to u vector dot w upon mod u mod w. This is what you have the formula for cos theta. Sin theta you know, cross, okay. Sin theta formula also you have, and cos theta formula also you have. Let us write. See here in this one they asked to cos theta, so we are using cos theta formula, right? Cos theta can be what? This is the question. U and w, cos theta is the angle between these edges. Then what is the value of cos theta? That is what you have, right? Now you know that at that place also cos theta forms, right? Now what you have to find here, these are the options are given, we have to check which one is correct. That lambda will be correct answer, okay. So let us find that one, which one is right. Just find out this one, JEE 2020, this is the question. Cos theta is equal to, what I am going to get here, cos theta is equal to u dot w. If I use this one, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, right, and 2 1s are 2, right. Yeah, I will multiply that only, right. If I do dot product, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k, that I do, divided by what is u square root of u is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So magnitude of this is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. And what is the magnitude of this here? 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. It means what I am getting here, 2 plus 1, 5 upon square root of 5 upon, what I am getting here, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, root 6 into root 6, that is root 6 into 6 is 6 here, you are getting 5 by 6. There is any option 5 by 6 here? No. Means lambda is equal to 2 is wrong. Then we have to go for lambda is equal to 4. If I go for 4, what I am going to get here? Cos theta is equal to u dot b, u dot w. So 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 4 1s are 4. 2 plus 1 plus 4. 2 plus 1 plus 4 divided by root 6 is this is you get what here? Sorry. This is I am going to get here 1 square plus 1 square plus 4 square. 1 square plus 1 square plus 4 square, and another one I am going to get here 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Magnitude you know already, we have done many problems. So here 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 upon, see that 7 upon is B and D is options, both are there. So square root of this is 6, so 6, you have the 6 in both. Under root, this one is 6. So this one is what here? 4 square is 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 root, this one is 1 plus, this is 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 6. So 7 upon, you have root 6 into root 18. This can be written as 7 upon, this can be written as root 6 into root 3 into root 6. Square root of 6 into 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18. So again here I am going to get a 7 upon root 6 into root 6 is 6, 6 root 3 is the right answer. 7 upon 6 root 3, so D answer is the right answer. This is the way to deal this problem. Dear students, this is the last question of today's lecture. Let us see. The volume of A, so that the volume of a parallelepiped formed by these vectors I cap plus A times J cap plus K cap, J cap plus A times K cap, and A I cap plus K cap becomes minimum is dash. parallelopiped minimum, volume will be minimum. Volume maximum, volume minimum. It's an important question, you know. So here, what is the given? Find the value of A. For what value of A? These three co-terminal edges of parallelopipe, becomes the volume is minimum. That is the question. Okay. So volume, you know that volume is nothing but box ABC, correct? So volume is equal to what we write here? Volume is equal to box ABC. Okay, this is can be written as like this. What is the A here? 1A1. What is the B here? JK is there. So 0 here, this is 0. J component is 1 and K component is A. Here is 1A1 and here is I component, J0, K component. Means what you have? A0 and there is 1. So this box is the volume of this. So what I am going to get this value is here. So one time of when I open this, that one time of 1 ones are 1 and 0 you get 0 into A is 0 minus A times, this is minus of A times, this is closed, row and column closed, 0 into 1 1 minus 0 into 1 0, sorry 0 minus, you will be have minus A into A square plus 1 times of 1 time, this is close, 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into A is minus A. Hope you understand here. No, nothing is more here. 1 ones are 1 minus 0. So 0 is 0 only. A into here 0 ones are 0 minus A square and here is 0 0 minus A. So this value I am getting here 1 minus, this is I am getting minus into minus plus A cube. 1 plus A cube minus A. So finally I got this value is A cube minus A plus 1. This is a cubic equation, right? How to find minima maxima? I explain in quadratic equation. And I explain in mainly applications of derivative. We have find maxima, maxima and minima. Okay, we have find maxima, minima many times. So here let us same go for the maxima minima here. If I want to find maxima minima of this one, volume in A, it is given volume in A, that is volume of A is equal to, you have function in A, that is A cube minus A plus 1. Then if you differentiate this one, what I am going to do by differentiate this one, the differentiation of this one, that is dV by dA is equal to A cube differentiation is what here? 3A square. We have to differentiate with respect to A. If you have X with respect to X, we have P with respect to P. So 3A square minus 1. I get as 3A square minus 1. What is the maxima if you want to find? What you do here? dV by dA is, you will take what here? This value is equal to 0 you will take, right? If we take this value is equal to 0, I get what here? 3A square minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 3A square is equal to 1. A square is equal to 1 by 3. A is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. So this plus or minus, in that one will be maxima, one will be minima. So what is asked here? Options you see here, they given plus, there is no minus option. So C option is the required answer. So C is the right answer. If you want to know what is minima or maxima, you go for the second derivative. That is, you will differentiate again this one, d square y by dA, d square v by dA square. That if you differentiate this one, d2 square, that is you get again the differentiation is 6A. I can write as 6A, right? This value will be getting how much? 6A, and you will substitute 1 by root 3 in this. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So you know second derivative test. What is d square v by ds square greater than 0, what happens? Less than 0, what happens? When it is becomes maxima minima, you know that. So according to that, we can finalize by using the second derivative, that is this a maxima or minima. In this case is not required to find maxima minima, as you know this is you are getting only one option here. So 1 by root 3 is the required minima answer. This is the way to deal the questions. Tomorrow we will do more questions for practice, and then we enter into the vector, triple triple product. Okay, scalar triple product. Now we are discussing about scalar triple product. Still in scalar triple product, there are some more topics are left. Some more 3-4 points are left. Tetrahedron, volume of tetrahedron. That more topics are left. So tomorrow we will discuss again scalar triple product, and let me finish that one. Then I will move on tomorrow. Then if it is possible tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will move on to the vector triple product. Okay, till then take care. Bye bye.